Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I will show you guys how to disable color inversion on Realme phone device. Friends, you have enabled color inversion setting, and friends now you want to disable. So how to disable it in this video I will show you, I will tell you. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, by mistake you have enabled your color inversion setting, and friends now you want to disable. So how to disable, let's see. Open your phone setting friends. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface on your Realme phone. Friends, you will have to find accessibility setting. So friends, where is accessibility? So guys, accessibility setting is you can find in additional setting. Tap on additional setting, accessibility, talk back, select to speak, magnification, color correction, color accessibility mode, high contrast tags. Friends, you want to on, so you can on from here, and you can offer high contrast tags. Friends, click on color inversion, tap here. Friends, right side this icon. Friends, tap here. Your color inversion mode will disable, and friends now you can use your phone. As you can see, when I disable color inversion, dark mode automatic off, light mode automatic on, and friends now you can use your phone screen without any screen color change. So like that guys, we can disable guys color inversion mode setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to disable color inversion mode on Realme phone device guys. Friends, now do you have any doubt guys related to guys your accessibility setting and guys about your Realme phone setting, so you can ask me in comment section. And before going guys, please go and like the video and subscribe the channel guys. Bye friends.